The world's oceans. A comprehensive scientific overview of Earth's blue planet. Earth is often called the blue planet for a simple reason. More than 70% of its surface is covered by water, most of it contained in its vast oceans. The 5 oceans, the Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, and Arctic, are not only immense bodies of water, but also climate regulators, reservoirs of biological and mineral resources, and the cradle of life itself. To understand Earth's oceans is to understand a vital part of how our planet functions. 1. The Pacific Ocean, the largest ocean on Earth. The Pacific Ocean, Mare Pacificum in Latin, was named by Portuguese explorer Ferdinand Magellan in 1520. He chose the name Pacific, meaning peaceful, despite the fact that this ocean hosts the most powerful storms, earthquakes, and volcanic activity on Earth. Scale and location. The Pacific covers nearly 1/3 of Earth's surface, has an area of about 165.25 million square kilometers, larger than all continents combined, stretches 15,500 kilometers from the Bering Sea in the north to the Southern Ocean, reaches a maximum east-west width of 19,800 kilometers, about 5 times the Moon's diameter. Contains the deepest point on Earth, the Mariana Trench at 10,911 meters. It also contains more than 25,000 islands, mostly in the southern hemisphere. The Pacific is shrinking due to the inward movement of surrounding tectonic plates at a rate of 2 to 3 centimeters per year, while the Atlantic is expanding. Tectonics and seafloor. The Pacific is home to the Ring of Fire, a region of intense volcanic activity, tectonic subduction zones, frequent large earthquakes, and devastating tsunamis, e.g. in Japan, Indonesia, Thailand. The seafloor includes a central basin depth of approximately 4,270 meters, numerous underwater volcanoes, deep trenches such as Mariana, Tonga, and Philippine trenches. The Pacific Ocean formed as the supercontinent Pangaea broke apart, roughly 180 million years ago. Water characteristics and currents. Total volume, approximately 622 million cubic kilometers. Temperature, from near 0 degrees Celsius in polar regions to 30 degrees Celsius near the equator. Salinity is lower near the equator due to heavy rainfall. Ocean currents. Clockwise in the northern hemisphere. Counterclockwise in the southern hemisphere. Major currents such as the Kuroshio Current strongly influence regional climate patterns. 2. The Atlantic Ocean, the ocean of major circulation systems. The Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean, covering about 20% of Earth's surface, with an area of approximately 106.4 million square kilometers. Location and shape. The Atlantic is bounded by the Americas to the west, Europe and Africa to the east, the Arctic Ocean to the north, the Southern Ocean to the south. Its general shape resembles an elongated S, divided into the North Atlantic and South Atlantic. Seafloor and geology. Its defining feature is the Mid-Atlantic Ridge. Extends from Iceland to about 58 degrees south. Contains a central rift valley. Has peaks rising above sea level to form islands, e.g., Iceland. This ridge splits the Atlantic into 2 large basins with depths between 3,700 and 5,500 meters. Major deep trenches. Puerto Rico Trench, 8,605 meters, deepest in the Atlantic. South Sandwich Trench, 8,428 meters. Romanche Trench, 7,454 meters. The Atlantic also includes abyssal plains, seamounts, undersea plateaus, and continental shelves, 11% of seafloor area. Water properties. The Atlantic is the saltiest ocean. Salinity ranges from 33 to 37 parts per thousand. lowest near the equator and high latitudes, highest at approximately 25 degrees north and 25 degrees south due to low rainfall and strong evaporation. Surface temperatures range from below -2 degrees Celsius near polar regions to above 20 degrees Celsius in the tropics. Environmental concerns. The Atlantic faces significant pollution due to agricultural runoff, industrial waste, river discharge. These pollutants create dead zones, areas depleted of oxygen, threatening marine ecosystems. 3. The Indian Ocean, a hub of global trade and climate systems. The Indian Ocean is the third largest ocean, covering about 75 million square kilometers, approximately 20% of Earth's surface water. Boundaries. North, India, Pakistan, Iran. East, Southeast Asia and Oceania. West, Arabian Peninsula and Africa. South, opens into the Southern Ocean. Its boundary with the Atlantic is near 20 degrees east, and with the Pacific near Tasmania. Seafloor characteristics. Average depth, 3,890 meters. Deepest point, Diamantina, deep approximately 8,000 meters. Continental shelf is generally narrow, approximately 200 kilometers, except near Australia, greater than 1,000 kilometers major ridge systems. Carlsberg Ridge, Southwest Indian Ridge, Southeast Indian Ridge, Central Indian Ridge. Additional structures. 90 East Ridge, running nearly straight along 90 degrees east. Kerguelen Plateau, Mascarene Plateau. Economic and maritime importance. The Indian Ocean is a major corridor for Middle Eastern oil shipments, trade between Asia, Africa, Europe, and the Americas. Busy maritime regions include the Persian Gulf, Arabian Sea, and Gulf of Aden. 4. The Southern Ocean, the world's strongest winds and most powerful current. The Southern Ocean surrounds Antarctica and forms a unique climatic and oceanographic system. Temperature and climate. Sea temperature ranges 28 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit, approximately -2 degrees Celsius to 10 degrees Celsius. Storms and cyclones travel from west to east, driven by extreme temperature contrasts between land and sea. The region from 40 degrees south to the Antarctic Circle experiences Earth's strongest winds. The Roaring 40s, 40 degrees south. The Furious 50s, 50 degrees south. The Screaming 60s, 60 degrees south. During winter, sea ice extends to approximately 65 degrees south in the Pacific sector, to approximately 55 degrees south in the Atlantic sector. Surface waters can drop below freezing. Seafloor and currents. Most of the Southern Ocean is 4,000 to 5,000 meters deep. The Antarctic continental shelf is unusually deep. Shelf break at 400 to 800 meters. Global average approximately 130 meters. Sea ice expands from approximately 2.6 million square kilometers in March, summer, to approximately 15 to 16 million square kilometers in September, winter. Antarctic Circumpolar Current, ACC, flows unbroken around Antarctica. Extends over 20,000 kilometers. The largest ocean current on Earth, transporting water volume far exceeding all rivers combined. The deepest southern ocean point is part of the South Sandwich Trench at -7,235 meters. Natural resources. Potential resources include oil and natural gas deposits, manganese nodules, mineral sands, vast freshwater stored in ice, rich biological resources such as whales, seals, krill, and fish, natural hazards, giant icebergs, tens of meters tall, thick seasonal sea ice, extreme winds and large waves, limited rescue or support infrastructure. These factors make navigation highly challenging. Environmental issues. Ozone depletion above Antarctica increases UV radiation, reducing phytoplankton productivity by up to 15% and damaging fish DNA. Illegal, unreported, and unregulated fishing, especially of Patagonian toothfish, exceeds sustainable limits by up to 6-fold. High mortality among seabirds due to bycatch. 5. The Arctic Ocean. The smaller, coldest, and most fragile ocean. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest of Earth's oceans, but plays a crucial role in regulating global climate systems. General characteristics. Area: 14 to 15 million square kilometers. Average depth: 1,000 to 1,200 meters. Surrounded by Russia, Alaska, Canada, Greenland, and Norway. Its waters are covered by sea ice. Expanding in winter, shrinking in summer, but still extensive. Salinity is lower because of minimal evaporation, large river inflow, melting ice, limited exchange with other oceans. Exploration history. For centuries, Europeans knew little about the Arctic. Greek explorer Pytheas, 325 BCE, wrote of a northern land called Thule, where daylight lasted only a few hours, and the sea behaved like a gelatinous frozen mass. Later explorations discovered Novaya Zemlya, Spitsbergen, and other high-latitude islands. In the late 19th century, Fridtjof Nansen made groundbreaking expeditions. In 1969, Wally Herbert completed the first surface crossing of the Arctic Ocean by dog sled. Since 1937, Soviet and Russian scientists have operated drifting ice stations, living and researching on moving ice flows. Ecosystems. The Arctic is home to vulnerable species such as walruses, whales, lion's mane jellyfish, Pholus fasciata, a rare Arctic fish. Plant life is limited, but phytoplankton thrives during the summer when the sun remains above the horizon 24 hours a day, enabling rapid photosynthesis and biomass accumulation. During winter, lack of sunlight drastically reduces productivity. Conclusion: the oceans as Earth's lungs and climate engine. Together, Earth's 5 oceans create a unified system that regulates global temperature, drives atmospheric circulation, supports biodiversity, provides food, energy, and transportation, stores climate history in ice and sediments. Understanding and protecting our oceans is not merely a scientific pursuit. It is essential for humanity's future in the face of climate change, pollution, and biodiversity loss.